Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you what are the steps required in order to create a bot. So first of all, in Telegram, we need to search for BotFather. BotFather is again one bot which Telegram has created in order to do automation of all this bot creation. So we are going to search for BotFather and then we are going to start a conversation with BotFather. And first thing which we need to write is /newbot. Now /newbot is a new command which tells BotFather that we want to create our own bot. Then bot is going to respond with that, please tell me what is the name which you want to give to your bot. So then you can give any name. So in this example, you can see I have given just another bot. This is a name which is going to be given to your bot, and then it is going to ask you what is the username which you want to give to your bot. You need to make sure that username ends with _bot, and also username needs to be unique. So if you are going to give a username which has already been taken by any other person, in that case you will not be able to use that username. So your Telegram is going to notify you that this user is not available, so you need to give any other username which is available. And then Telegram is going to send you the token which I have hidden in this section, which you can see. And after that, one more thing which you need to do is you need to write one more command which is /setPrivacy. What it is going to do is it is going to make sure that your bot is able to read all the messages. So once you do that, you need to select which bot you want to perform this action, and you can select whatever your bot name is. If you have only one bot, in that case you may not be able to see this option because BotFather already knows that you have only one bot, and then it is going to set the privacy for that bot. So you need to make sure that you change the privacy of the bot from enabled to disable, and once you do that, you are going to get a success notification message that the privacy has now been disabled, and then we are going to proceed ahead with the interacting with bot using bot APIs. So in next session, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram bot using BotFather, and then we are going to move on and trying to create a program to interact with BotFather.